Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah. Ano ba sa East Jaintia TV? Sa kanyo, yung head ba? Dito sa kinigimit kan tayo yung nigjan with hini. Please help them, make them warm and energetic as your contestant this evening. Your contestant number 6, Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah. The seventh lady of this evening.
Contestant number 7, Memories Dakar. White for purity, red for courage, and green for growth. Inspired by Latuthiñ, I stand as a bloom that carries strength, dignity, and unshaken beauty.
Please, put your hands together. Your contestant number 7, Miss Memories Dakar. So much for them. Nanti daw kampanye people now happy. Ikaw yung hey ha. May basta ni contestant Yogi. Your contestant number 7, Miss Memories Dakar.
Your contestant number 8, Rimia Suchen. I am wearing a flower costume which is adorned by beautiful flowers which symbolizes love, hope, and beauty.
Your contestant number 8, Miss Rimia Suchen. Iba't ba siya bahay ka ding kapti? Ay joy po, yasay ka niyo, yung hair, yung hair. Of the evening.
My attire inspired by the Latuthiñ, which represented my true self, standing here blooming, strong, graceful, and yet rooted in heritage. Your contestant number 9, Dakar.
Wow! Your contestant number 9 is Dakar. Come on, people, make some noise!
today is not just for fashion. It is a reminder that when we chose bravery, we can filled with love and dignity in our life, just like Usundu Latuthiñ will bloom in the middle of the hill. Thank you so much.
Wow. Your contestant number 10, Miss Firslin Roy Gum. Come on, people, make some noise.